Hi everyone, as you can see here there is the new Huawei P20 Lite, and I found it in a shop here in Italy, and as you can see it has the notch and it has two back cameras and one front camera. As you can see from the video, it has a lot of options, like as all the Huawei, and it has, for example, light painting, pro photo and pro video, but there is no Leica watermark. And here is the resolution of the videos, and as you can see there isn't 4K but only Full HD, and so that's okay for a mid-range telephone. It seemed like a very quick phone, and like all the mid-range telephone of Huawei, it's full of options. The display is really good, yeah, and colors are well calibrated. And next to the Type-C there is the jack, the audio jack. That's important. As you can see now it has the Swift key, and that's really fast. Yeah. And now we're going to see the settings. Okay. As you can see here it has 4 GB of RAM, and yeah, here's the settings and system. Okay, about phone. And here we can see that it has 4 GB of RAM. It has Android in this version 8.0. The aspect ratio of the screen is 19:9, and furthermore it has the Kirin 659. Yeah, and now it has FM radio. Yeah, as you can see now, and that's all. I think it's a fantastic phone. It's fast, it's light, it seems very solid, and yeah, if you like the video, please share, subscribe and leave a like, and that's all. Bye.